This is DMV Elevators. We are at the Club Wyndham at National Harbor, Maryland. And we are going to do a room tour. So let's start. I'm on the 5th floor. I'm actually staying on the 5th floor. And we are in room 502. And let's get started. And so, like I said, here's your door stopper. I'll demonstrate that. If you open the door, it's gonna stop right there. And you lock it, so. And first off, once you enter the door, you see the open concept living room and kitchen. So, let's put this down for a second. And as soon as you come in here, you have your closet. And you have your iron board and your broom and dustpan and vacuum. That's a sweeper. Let's close it up. Here is your safety information in case of an emergency. And it has the rules. Out here, this is your dining room table. And you have a chair. You have chairs and a nice bench set. So we are in a 3-bedroom deluxe with a balcony. So as soon as you come in as well, you see here's the kitchen. Overall, this is a very nice kitchen with nice countertops. Here's your sink. Okay, it works. So here's your oven and microwave and your fridge and freezer. And so now we are going to start off with the balcony. So as soon as you come here, you're in the living room with your couch. This is like a sofa bed and your chair over here, Here's your TV. Yeah, I got the baseball game on. No copyright intended. And let's go outside. Let's get a view from our balcony. We're gonna go out for a second. And here we are. So, as you can see here, here's our balcony. And yeah, here's our view from the 5th floor. So as you can see, the amenities are closed here for the night. And over here, you can also see, the Gaylord National Hotel from the top floor You see the club over there? Yep, that's the Gaylord National Hotel. There's the parking garage right across the street from the Club Wyndham. And as you can see, there's people outside. Either they going back to their rooms or something, but you can see the pool from over there. And there's the parking garage. These over there have Kone elevators. They're not scenic, but you can see from the shaft on the outside, but there's no scenic elevator. But there's the parking garage to the Mariner Passage and Wyndham Hotel. So this is our balcony from here, our balcony. And this is a very, very nice view. you can see the front of the Wyndham side, the Wyndham sign in front of the resort, and that is the Mariner Passage garage, parking garage. So there's the pool, the fire pit's all the way back there. So now you can see there's 2 chairs right over here, nice little table, and another set of 2 chairs. Now let's go back inside. We're gonna close these back up. And here we are again. So the room we're gonna start out with is this bedroom. So when we come into this bedroom, this is a guest bedroom. The first of 3 bedrooms. You have your TV right here. You have your nightstand right here. Your bed right here. Let's feel the mattress. Feels nice and comfy, soft. The pillows, nice. And the sheets, you can feel the sheets right here and that tuck back there. It's nice and comfy. You have your curtains right here, window, and there's your closet. Let's take a look. Let's take a look outside and get a view. And this is where you can see from the room out. And now let's go on to the next room. Here we are in the guest bathroom. It has your sink. It's designed by Kohler, brand name Kohler. Look in the mirror, who you see high. There's your bathtub and shower and your toilet by ProFlow. We're not gonna turn on the water or anything because it's about to be 11 o'clock here and it's about to be peaceful time here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next room. So that bedroom right there, we're gonna come into this bedroom now. And the next bedroom we have is another bedroom, another guest bedroom. This time, this room has 2 beds. 2 beds right here. Same sheets and pillows. You have your nightstand over here and your lamp. You have a closet right here with hangers and a mattress. And let's get a view from out here. As you can see from over here, there's the parking garage right over here. Take a look at the blue lights. Now, doesn't that look nice? It kind of looks like Christmassy. And people are still out here late at nighttime, which is cool for National Harbor. And down at the restaurant down below, right across the street, it's the Brass Tap. And you have the CVS pharmacy next door, and there's some other restaurants here. So, and over there, there's the Residence Inn by Marriott. All right. We'll leave that closed. We'll leave that open. Those shears open. Leave that open. Just want you to see this view from outside. And now we can go on to the next bedroom. And the next bedroom we're going to is the master. Here we are at the master. This is the bigger bed right here. Let me cut the light on right here. So here we are. There's the bed right here, your nightstand, and this has a nice jacuzzi tub. Your sink, also named by Colin. Look in the mirror, hi. You have your shower right here. You have your bathroom right here. So this is like the complete luxury package of the master. And here we are back out here. Let's turn on the sink. All right, everything's in working order. Here's the closet. You have towels right here for the pool and all that you can use. There's your safe. All right. I'm gonna turn off these lights here. All right, and let's get a view outside from here before we end this nice day right over here. It's 11:03 p.m. Let's get a quick view. Focus camera. Here we are, better. This is a better view from out the window. Here we are, focus camera, there we go. And you can see the mirror and the passage garage from here. It's right across the street from the hotel. By the way, the Wyndham has 11 floors. And I just want to say thank you for the time to watch this video and look in the mirror. Hi. And we're going to end our room tour from here. So I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time whenever I make another YouTube video. And I'm gonna try and be a little bit more active on YouTube and try to make more elevator videos, etc. Again, I want to apologize for not making elevator videos in a while. I just been so busy with work, and I just haven't had time or found the time to go back out to film elevators. Hi. So I'm gonna do my best to try to film elevators again, because I love making elevator videos for my fans, and I enjoy doing it. And I'm gonna try and work on making elevator videos again on YouTube. Again, my apologies for not being active on YouTube and not making elevator videos lately. Only reason why I'm making this video today is because it's my birthday weekend, and I just want to enjoy my weekend. But like I said, I apologize, and I'm gonna work on trying to make more elevator videos again, and work on uploading as much as I can. Not every single day, but on the days when I want to upload. But I'll try to go out at least once a week or twice a week or whatever, but we'll see what happens. But this channel, DMV Elevators, is not going anywhere. And but also good news is that I got a community tab. So I didn't think I was going to get a community tab. I thought once you hit 1K subscribers, you get a community tab. But I was a bit shocked when I saw my channel, and I didn't even notice that I got a community tab. So I'll try to post updates or post something in the community tab again the next time. Until next time, you guys enjoy your day. Have a good night, and see you next time.